Ken from Alliance with a sweet message, sweet, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. I've been talking a lot about our F-Series machines. These are our newest, latest and greatest in inline cleaning systems. There's a whole bunch of great features, and today I want to talk about 10 interesting things related to this equipment. For starters, number one, these machines are very configurable, so we can adjust widths of conveyors and height elevation. In addition to that, we can make these machines in modules so we can vary the length for process zones. Take a look. The machines can be very short and they can be very long. Number two, removable full access canopies, which gives you complete interior access to the machine all the way down, from sprays through blow off all the way to the end of the machine. Number three, the patented air knife lift system, exclusive to Alliance equipment. This system allows you to actually get a visual indicator of the elevation of your air knives within the machine, and by simply actuating a switch on our control station, you can actually lower the elevation of your air knives or raise the elevation of the air knives throughout the entire machine. So that would be your intermediate blow-offs, your ambient blow-offs, and your heated blow-offs. And then we have a dial indicator with a photo eye that shoots a beam across. That does not allow the operator to load a part that would be higher than the positioning of the air knives themselves. Number four, oscillating air knives. The air knives actually can have a sweeping effect going back and forth across the top of the part to help distribute air for optimal drying. Number five, the height system. High efficiency indirect gas heated tanks, patent pending Alliance design. This system uses heat exchangers, stainless steel, which are manufactured by Alliance, makes it very user friendly. The systems are very high efficiency, operate between 95 to 97% efficient, so the payback is phenomenal. Number six, convenient pull-out spray system. This is especially important on wider machines, but our system allows you to actually pull the spray header completely out so you can get access to your rear nozzles without having to climb into the machine, not only on the top, but on the bottom as well. Again, convenient, quick access. Number seven, quick removable pull-out curtains. Makes it very convenient and easy for changing your curtains. Pop your pin, curtain comes right out of the machine. Super simple. Number eight, modular intermediate blow-off assemblies. So in this particular zone, we have a blanking plate that allows us to either add later or not an intermediate blow-off. In the zone immediately prior to that, we actually have an assembly in place. So you can see the blow-off assembly, again, modular. We can put exhausting fans here or intermediate blow-offs. Number nine, the F-Series equipment comes with thermostatically controlled heated blow-offs. This lets you adjust the temperature setting. It's not a random number like a regenerative style blow-off. You actually thermostatically set the temperature, and that all can be done from a simple HMI screen. Number 10, all wash solution tanks are provisioned with a box that can be used for oil collection, either adding an oil skimmer or an oil coalescer for picking up of floating contaminants, which is a really nice feature to have. You don't always want to put it on the machine initially, but might later find that you do want to add it, so the machine is provisioned. As you can see, the Aquamaster F-Series has a ton of great features and accessories. Give us a call today to find out what kind of sweet machines we can build for you.